Video button.
I did. Okay.
Hi everybody, Samuel Brunson here. I'm doing a nature video in Forest Park, aka the Long Walk, I like to call it. You see, there's just trees and more trees. I know, there's a lot of trees. This walk takes about 50 to 55 minutes. I'm gonna try to make it short. You see some signs over there. Like there's an arrow if you want to exit the Long Walk, it's that way. It just heads into nature. People say that this used to be a carway. How cars went down. It's like a shortcut to Woodhaven Boulevard. That's what people think, is a shortcut to Woodhaven Boulevard. But I say, if you walk from here to Woodhaven Boulevard, the bus route is going to take you a shorter period of time. That's what I'm saying. It'll take you a shorter period of time. I'm speaking up right now because my father's holding the selfie stick. So I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. If you can't hear me, turn on the captions. The captions will be able to hear me. Alright. So, if you've been on this long walk or you're on the long walk right now, please put in the comments below. Another sign. There's an arrow pointing to my left. You're on the lefty, so it's that way. One thing is, I think that this used to be a parkway. It was used to be a parkway, probably. It probably made it into a human way probably because it got shut down because cars are not going through. But the only vehicles that actually come in right now is the police cars and ambulance cars and fire cars and all that stuff, emergency stuff. If I ever wanted to drive down here, they would block me. I wouldn't be able to come down here. I would have to walk on foot. So if you can't stay for the whole video, comment below. Comment below if you can't watch the whole video, because I know it's actually going to take about an hour. Well, it's probably going to be longer than my hour-long video, which is coming out October 9th. Oh, there's a trail over there. Yep. But remember, if you're on the long walk and you want to go to Woodhaven Boulevard, please make sure that you follow the road. If you see sidewalk, don't go on the sidewalk. That'll make you go somewhere else. I planned this for days. Right now, I'm just gonna stop talking, alright? You can just hear to what me and my mom and my dad want to talk about.
I mean, so once in a while you'll see like chipmunks out here.
I know.
They usually are in the
You can jump in.
I know, Sam, but just go ahead. You were talking.
Well,
hope I don't see any, but
Yeah.
people think that chipmunks are harmless because of the
They're little.
fictional band out in the chipmunks. So people think that chipmunks are harmless. Just like squirrel, people think of Sandy the squirrel.
That's right.
They think it's squirrel. They think that the harmful roads are mice, rats, and think of another one.
You know, I mean, beavers. I mean, there's a lot of things that could be out here.
Mice and rats.
Beavers.
Mice
They could be.
and rats.
They could be snakes. You never know.
The thing is, mice and rats, people think are the most harmful creatures in the world. Where are we heading now?
Well,
I
but
see that we just left you gardens.
well,
I think so.
yeah, I think we just left you
Is there
guys.
any time you're gonna pause this video?
Rob, we're not right now. We're just gonna keep it going right now. Sam,
Alright,
remember you
then
got
how many
people
minutes
riding
so far?
bicycles
Be
against
careful
you,
of people
so
riding
you
their
got to
bikes.
remember to move to your left and let people go by. Right?
Sure.
All right. So,
Dad, how many minutes do we have?
you want me to check the minutes?
Yeah. Dad, you don't need to pause.
No, I'm not pausing. 4 minutes and 4.5 minutes.
I know, Mommy. If it does, I'll end it. And I'll just keep my phone in my pocket for the meantime. Do not follow that path. Follow the road. That's my trick. But then I'll get it to where we need to go. Right?
You got to remember, bikes are coming at you, so you always go to your far left
Well,
to
how
your
come it would
left.
be better if we
Go
walk
no,
back?
no, because people can come from behind. It doesn't matter. People come from both directions.
But the thing
Doesn't people don't go exactly where they're supposed to
is,
go?
the
Yeah.
best thing to do is go in the middle.
Oh, that's true.
But people like to go on my right or my left. I mean, my right or my left. Right. So this is actually the best. This is actually the best place to go. In the middle of them. The middle of them. And you're also going to see that bikes are gonna. You're also gonna see that bikes are gonna stop in the middle of the long walk and probably gonna come back to where they started. Yeah, remember you said you rode your bike down here?
Yeah, it was a lot different than you think. You think this is it's not a hill, but believe it or not, it's not flat. When you're riding your bike, this is not flat. It is a hill, and if you're not into your body used to riding a bike, it's not a fun way to go when you're going up a
Oh,
hill.
nice sneakers. I didn't even remember that you had these sneakers back
I don't either. Look,
This is last year.
I know because no one wears sneakers anymore.
I know, I was
No
waiting
one
for
goes
it.
out. No one goes out. No one wear. Everyone wears sandals. Now it's so warm.
No one really goes
You know,
out.
I have sandals on.
But are you comfortable with them?
I'm used to walking. Doesn't make a difference. But here's the
here.
thing.
They want to swap
Swap what? It
this
don't,
for the selfie stick.
why? You want to?
I want to hold it so
Okay.
people can actually hear me better,
Okay, go ahead.
making it longer.
Okay.
All right. Now you can hear me better. Comment below if you can. I just snapped a picture. I took a picture while actually doing the video. It's a new thing that they have on newer phones. People just think it's for iPhone, but I don't think so. See, we have 5 minutes, and we've been walking on the path for 5 minutes. Comment below if you can't hear me right. I know it's a little, if it's hard to hear me because of all these background noises. Comments below if you can't hear me. All right. We are heading for a turn. So, let's turn. All right, here we go. By the way, I'm using a selfie stick. So, it's easier for me because, you know what happens. If you just have your phone, you could drop your phone. And I don't have my case with me. Because my case has a pop socket. So it would fall off anyway. This is actually my father's selfie stick. But I use it anyway. Because my phone actually fits in it. So you say, if it fits in there, why would you even get a second one if yours can fit right? You know?
Yes, I do. Yeah. Well, you know what's funny?
We have a sign here that says weight limit 8 tons. A mountain bike? All right.
They have like mountain bikes. They got the things on the side. I have the things on the it's more.
Well, you know what you can do? You can sell the one you have and buy another. That's not a bad idea. Put it on Facebook that you're selling it.
The best thing to do is
And then you
Daddy,
buy yourself another one.
accept people that have $50 or more.
Tell them it's like lightly used. It's never been used. You can sell it on Facebook or
Right now I'm not talking anyone, so if you're complaining that you can't hear me, right now I'm just not talking. Starting now. Stop turning! People just keep on turning.
people need to.
What I'm saying is that when you're on a bike, would you get people
Making
bike,
it
you
long.
always go to your far left or your far right.
But the thing is, Daddy, people keep on turning. Like,
I'm saying, but so because they're trying to go around you, they don't know which way you're going to go. So if you stay straight, you won't have a problem. But you stay to your left or to your right. You don't stay in the middle.
Well, what I'm saying is you can
Okay, so
let's get on the sidewalk. For now. Get on the sidewalk.
or if you know somebody that wants to buy a bike, you can say it's lightly used. barely been used.
Sorry about my finger,
Most of
everyone.
us in probably a week. Less
I
than a
know.
week, maybe. How much is rent?
Nothing. Oh, I did 2,000 steps so far.
I know, son. Don't worry about your steps.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Right now, the sidewalk is safe. Unless the road and the sidewalk are going in two different directions. Then we hop back on the road. It's been 10 minutes so far. Been shorter than I thought. I thought it was like...
It's not a long walk if you just keep walking.
It takes maybe about 50 minutes, maybe less.
No, it's less than the whole round trip might be 50 minutes. But one way is not 50 minutes.
How do you think it is?
Yeah, about 20 minutes. If it's that, you're going, you're not,
I remember being it longer.
it's not that long. It's just if you keep walking, there's no.
I would say what, it's like 30
No,
40 minutes?
about 25 minutes going this, and then about 20 minutes going the other way. It's about an hour round trip.
Yeah, that's what people do. They take it one way and then they walk back.
They run.
Or they run, which actually would be about 10
I
minutes.
mean,
Jog back.
until the weather is nice, you know, we can.
Well, it's nice.
Yeah.
What you do? Took the cat.
You know, whatever. They said
You
you
be
never
jumping out.
take a cat out, especially if you're not willing to lose her.
No, I'm saying.
She can bolt out of that thing
And run into the wild.
I wouldn't do it if I
but
wouldn't
the
do it.
thing is, you have to be in a situation where she.
Ooh, there's a tree.
She cannot.
Like Gorilla
They'd
Tape.
be yowling and going crazy in there. I don't
Who
know.
distract my
I just
video.
wouldn't do it. I keep her home. She's safe. She's happy. She has her food, all of that.
I think it's time.
Yeah,
Alright.
let's go back on the road.
Let's go back on the road because people are gonna stop. People are gonna stop and then just talk and talk
Yeah,
and
but just
talk.
watch out for the bikes. See, I don't know what people riding in the middle.
It doesn't matter. Normally, you ride. Right there, you walk and ride.
As you can see, I'm switching my hands because one hand is gonna get tired. You know.
You can say the same thing. Everybody should be on the sidewalk. Everyone walking on the sidewalk.
If you want Daddy to take over,
We'll take shifts. It's way better. The only reason why I was actually screaming when my daddy was holding the selfie stick is because he's farther away from me. So if so I can scream and then you guys be able to hear me normally.
can you get in contact with Will this week and tell him that we're getting the fire stick on Wednesday? Maybe he can hook us up.
Time for your shift. Taking shifts. There we go.
Daddy likes to store it.
I like it more. It gets a view from far around. Right.
Okay, so like I said, it's a nice day.
Down south.
Was that?
Eventually, somewhere around, there's a path that leads into the carousel. I'm not sure.
Leads into the carousel.
Yeah. This is the trail.
Like trail mix.
This is the trail. Wait a second.
Horsefuck trail.
Wait a second. This is the exact same trail we went.
Yeah.
We were coming all the way back. We
Yeah,
went
remember?
that way.
Yeah, remember when you coming back?
That's what I did.
Wait a minute, that's Richmond Hill.
Yeah.
That's Richmond Hill.
Yeah, I
We
remember.
took the 37 back.
No, we did not.
We walked back.
We walked back, right?
Oh,
We ain't having to take no bus back.
if you ever want to take a break on a
Rob,
bench,
What?
and
No more benches available.
Rob, just walk. Yeah.
But I don't think we have the energy to do a round trip.
I don't know, I wouldn't do it now.
Maybe when we have enough energy.
We're gonna take the bus back?
What do you want to do?
It doesn't matter.
This is the type of walk you should do once a week, twice a week, possibly.
You get your, burn your calories off.
It's good this time of year. Spring and fall is the best time to do it. Summer, forget about. And winter.
Jack could hit you on the head.
Huh?
In the middle, hit you on the
Yeah,
head.
right?
That's why if any bikers head towards there, pop a tire.
Yeah.
Therefore, for not looking.
Yeah. Better a branch than a tree.
Well,
Well, everyone, you can see that the trail is gone and the benches are gone. But
So this bench is every so often, you'll see.
yeah,
You want to
maybe.
offer some water, Daddy?
Rob, I'm fine. If I need water, I'll get water. I'm
And if
fine.
there's a bench available, we're gonna pause this video and sit. But if we're tired though, if we're not tired, if we're on the sidewalk right now, I'll tell you to get off it because that and the road is going two separate directions.
You're going on like a upper on a hill.
Here comes the steep hill I'm always complaining about.
This is where I think I ended up going back.
Wait,
I think this is when I started going back.
All right.
Because once I got to that
Yeah,
hill,
remember this hill? I was afraid of going down. I was afraid I was gonna fall down the hill.
yeah.
I
You're a
remember.
little older now.
Huh?
You're a little older.
I know.
See, when I put Samuel's bike on Facebook to sell,
Rob, I know I can sell it
it's so
fast.
you took pictures
Rob,
to lightly. You
Rob, I can sell it
was sold
fast.
within a week.
Rob, I know I can sell it fast.
You can do is, Daddy, you can put on Facebook. You should actually get like $50 or more for that bike.
No, what I should
Yeah,
say,
I would say 50,
Rob, what
70.
I should say, $75 and negotiable.
How
That's
much
it.
did you
I
spend for their
forget. I
bike
think
originally?
I think 100 and something.
That's not bad then.
Rob, I know.
It's lightly used, barely been used.
I know, Rob. I'll do it when I
Improvements
need.
have been made.
Rob, I'll do it when I need to do it. Don't worry.
Put them
And then buy
already,
yourself the bike that you
and then
actually should have
Daddy,
gotten.
then put already built,
Yeah,
already built
I know.
by a professional.
Well, Sam, you're gonna have a picture
Best
of
thing
it.
to do
Yeah,
is
you take a couple of pictures on,
I'm
you
just
know,
saying it so people know. Just saying, put on it this.
privilege and everything.
yeah. And,
A bike for sale, I'll take $75. Less we
but
can
you go
pay
on
you
groups. You
for.
sell it better
Rob,
on groups
I
like
know.
Forest Hills, Kew Gardens.
Rob,
Grove.
I know, and then Barbara sees it.
Who cares?
Rob, I know. I
One
don't.
thing is, you
I
should
don't.
say, already
Sam,
built
like
by
I
a
said,
professional.
stay. Well, see what they're doing.
I don't remember something, but you're on film right now.
Rob, I know. So I don't know why everybody's talking about other things. Just
Then this video is not going to be on Facebook, is
no,
it?
you're not.
No.
Okay.
Oh,
Good.
I don't want Barbara to hear what we got to say.
Rob, so this.
What do you mean by that?
Right.
But Samuel, Daddy
So-
mentioned Barbara.
Sam,
and I don't want
just
her
Sam,
to
just.
see it.
Oh, you can always edit it too, right?
No, I cannot edit. I cannot edit in the middle of
No,
it.
I
This
didn't
is not
say.
live.
It's not
No,
live.
it's not live.
It's not live.
This is recorded.
Daddy's stuff went live.
Rob, because I went live.
Because also because he's an adult.
I went live. Rob, don't.
Are you just getting the road?
Yeah, I'm just doing straight down the road. Every once in a while, I'm gonna have what's name I do
Turn
this.
it and come direct
Yeah,
and-
when you get a path.
Try not to film people.
Sam, I know that. That's why I moved this way. That's why I do that. Sam. Then I go forward.
And if anyone, no one in front of us, then you can point it.
Sam, I know what I'm doing.
You can tell this used to be an old hallway.
Huh?
Well, Sam, it is
You
Sam.
can tell because of the yellow line.
Yeah, double lines and
I
all
know
that. Sam.
because the sign.
No, and double
Signs,
line. Yeah,
yeah.
sign telling you that way. Yeah, I know.
You can't
Just go ahead, Sam. Don't worry about me. Go ahead. You worry about yourself. All right. Now, Marina and me.
Samuel, just go.
Just stay as far to your left as you can. That's it, Sam. That's it. That's it.
How did I see this video?
Actually, pretty good. I'm trying to go like a little bit.
What?
They're a little too big.
But they're good.
You're also making me walk that.
So I wonder if I need to get in the sneakers.
Hmm?
I was thinking if we could get the 5-6 Wednesday, maybe Will can hook us up on Thursday.
Rob, I'll call him.
I think what you have to do is call Spectrum and see if we can just keep the Wi-Fi.
I know. Well, you can. Really gonna tell you no?
I don't know.
You can't say you know.
They're gonna probably try to offer you
Rob,
deals
but I know. Rob,
beyond deals.
Rob, I know. But you say no.
What they're going to do is you're going to ask them this.
That's why they raised the price of Wi-Fi, only Wi-Fi. So, because people were doing that, so they raised the price.
I'd rather spend $100 and almost $300 a month.
Well, by now.
Then one thing is, this is what Special is going to say.
What?
You're going to say this. For anybody that we can just keep the Wi-Fi, and then they're going to say, we have a deal on the cable, 50% off.
Yeah, you can tell them you don't want it,
I mean, basically,
right?
everything is streaming now anyway. A lot of people are getting rid of cable.
Well, I know.
Things
No,
like
cable too
YouTube TV
expensive.
is very good.
Cable is too
The best
expensive.
thing is, we're going to be saving a lot and lots of money.
Yes, we are.
$300 every couple of weeks. It's ridiculous.
Well, we pay what? $300 or so?
$300,
Yeah.
$290.
I know. So,
It's like, ugh.
you know, this is the walk. The long walk that we take every once in a while. Get our steps in.
Yeah, you know this is my video, right?
Yeah, but say something.
Yeah, so far I got, wow, 6,000 steps.
I did maybe over 5,000.
You didn't bring your watch?
No.
Why didn't you bring your watch?
My phone is still counting the steps anyway.
I hope it is.
It is. Remember, I checked.
Okay.
I checked. I
Well, how
got over
many steps did you
2,000.
do?
Oh, wow.
Should be on your watch.
Okay.
I just keep.
My thing is not hooked. My thing doesn't have the
No, but
watch.
it doesn't track it anyway?
Yeah, it does, Robert. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna
Let
look
me
at it.
see. Let me see.
Count the steps. You have to unlock it.
I know.
You have to unlock the watch. The pin.
Where's the steps?
Go to.
Yeah. Let me see. I don't think that theme has it.
It
No,
does.
it doesn't. No.
No, it doesn't.
No, but you could track it anyway.
See, it's here, Rob.
How many do you have? I don't think it does.
Yes, I do. It's down here. I can't see it. Rob, you
Okay,
see
we'll
the,
see when
okay,
you-
you see the green thing on the bottom?
Yeah, you got 5,000.
5,000 something. Let's go.
5,200. 5,200.
All right.
It is tracking it. It doesn't on
Yeah, and I have my phone. I have my phone in my pocket anyway. So, you know, so
Sam, but don't lose that fast. You can't get on the bus without it.
You only put it in your pocketbook. I'm tired of holding it. I'm putting it under my chin. It's uncomfortable. Daddy!
Sam, I'm Sam, relax.
It's always good to have water with you when you take a walk. It's always good to be hydrated.
And also, there's also a high chance that you go into the bathroom.
I
Yes, but you also sweat
Right,
it out.
right now I got 6,600 and something. Why am I holding this and this? You
No,
hold
then
this?
I was gonna get this.
Got it?
Got it.
Yeah, every once in a while, show some scenery,
Rob,
show
that's
some
what I was
trees,
doing. That's what I
show
was
them how
doing.
tall the trees are.
Like, I'm not,
We have 3,000 so
Sam,
far.
show them how tall the trees
I'm
are.
not
Look how tall these trees are.
Because I don't like really doing that. 'Cause I want this thing to fall out the pocket. Because you don't know if that thing, how secure it might get and loose. And
Well,
it will
yeah,
fall down.
that's true.
So that's why I don't do that.
Beautiful.
Ah, a little too short.
Sam, just
There we go.
like it is.
That's better.
Long checking up on you.
Daddy, remember, it's towards the end when you start seeing, you know that ballpark? That's how you know it's the end of it.
You gotta point it straight. That's what you pointed at.
It's better to get on the SW right now, because of
Getting
bikes.
off the video.
True. Good thing I didn't step on that branch. We have 24 minutes down. Right now, I think we're towards the middle of it.
No, we're further in the middle. We're further in the middle, but we're not at the end.
All right, estimated. How long do you think it's going to take for us to get to the end of it?
Another 10 minutes.
Another 15.
Okay, whatever, Sam.
How about you, Mom?
I would say maybe another 15, 20 minutes.
Mom, you have to see something different than me.
Okay, I'd
She
say
said 10, she said 15, 20.
15.
20. I'll say 20.
20? Okay. I know that my estimation is going to be right. Because I think for a
Right now
little...
it's 35. 235. You're saying 15 would be too fit.
Right now we're 24 minutes down. I can make that 25 minutes. But guys, the thing is, one thing is I want is I just have to have a good time, you know? And maybe towards the end, I'm just saying, if we have the energy, if we want to, we can walk back.
No. You want to walk back?
Well, I don't really care. If you keep walking,
Samuel, you really want to walk back?
keep walking.
I have the energy right now. I have energy all day long.
Because I'm not gonna walk fast and walk. Then we gotta take a seat. No, I'm not gonna do all that.
You want to
walk. I don't make a difference. I could do it,
I can too.
but I don't want no. Well, I'm tired and you take a seat. No, I'm not gonna waste my time doing it.
What do you want to do?
We'll take the bus back.
Then do that.
Does anyone have any money on you?
Yes, I do, son. You don't have to.
How
I don't even
much?
say
I
it,
have
but I
some money on me too.
Oh,
Well,
Oh.
I want to pay something.
No.
I'm not sitting.
I'm not sitting. I'm just saying, baby, we can get what we usually get after the long walk.
What do we usually get?
The W.
W.
Water? You got water.
You got the letter. You got the number
What
of
about
letter.
Wendy's?
Yes, I am. It's the cheapest on our list. Even if we do want to take the 54,
You can do that $5 thing.
a little. Even if we
take the bus back, it'll be good.
And then we don't have to worry about dinner.
we can do that, and it'll actually be cheaper. My
I don't
opinion.
think they have inside dining stuff.
I'm saying you got daily to go. I'm not gonna eat now. It's every 3 o'clock.
I know.
We can go home.
$4 or $5 thing.
I see that we're maybe a little bit towards the end, but not in the.
Yeah, we're getting towards that highway thing. Where's that?
Right here.
Yeah.
We have 27 minutes down. So I estimate it's gonna be maybe another 10 minutes, maybe. Oh, on Freedom Drive. You can see that the long walk goes up
Number 55 is
where that German restaurant was.
Remember? That German restaurant we went to. I remember seeing 55 outside.
All the way to your left. Well, why you keep going in the middle? I'm telling you that.
Samuel, watch out, don't fall.
You shouldn't fall. You should be able to see. You shouldn't fall. You gotta remember, too, if you come around this turn,
People are gonna get thrown off.
what I'm saying is people come around this turn fast, and you're coming walking the other direction.
What do you consider a mountain bike?
That's not a mountain bike.
That's a regular bike.
What's a bike like a last
A mountain bike is more.
It can go up, and also can go, and also can go up hills better. That's what's called a mountain bike.
It's not hard.
28 minutes.
That's not to actually buy a bike. It's walk season. Yeah.
And Daddy, if you do sell your bike, this is what I'm saying. If you're selling your bike and it will take you more than a week to use it on some, if no one wants to buy it, I could do a little bit of my magic. I could do a YouTube video about it.
No, you don't have to go through it.
Well, you
You don't have to go through it.
And then what happened is, and if the bike gets sold because of my YouTube video, I get half of it.
Sam, it's not going to be for you to do.
True, just saying if Facebook doesn't work.
ever get get any comments on your YouTube videos?
No. I have, the only one I actually do get comments about is Mrs. Lixalot.
Oh.
Yep, I see that we're a little towards the end a little bit. I think it's going to take maybe around 5 minutes to get to the other side. Dad, how much money exactly do you have on you?
I have enough. Why?
To get Wendy's?
You see that school.
Yeah, when you see that school, yeah, Wendy's. You don't need to worry about dinner.
Yeah, it's 240. Yeah, you start seeing that school.
That's how you know you're towards Woodhaven Boulevard. 30
You get on
minutes
the Q11,
to get on the Q11,
and then it takes you to 54.
and then we get Wendy's and come back home and eat. Then we don't have to worry about dinner. But Chinese actually costs a little bit more than Wendy's, so might as well do Wendy's anyway.
Yeah, I think we're heading to the end.
I know we are. Dad, I'll give you $1 million if you answer this question. Where is my cell phone case?
I have no idea. Home.
Home.
I know it's home.
Your cell phone? What?
My case for my cell phone. It's home. I could do is just take off the outer case
Yeah.
and keep the inner case.
Yeah.
That's right now we're at the end.
We did it.
And I'm not tired.
Good.
You're here and job
Yeah.
and soccer and football and everything.
I think that's only for schools.
You saying these people like this in school?
What?
These people like that in
Oh, okay.
I don't know what this is. But it's like a playground. It's like a, something. I don't know.
Might want to take a shift?
school? Now your hands are hurting and tired?
Yeah.
You're saying.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And thank you. Might as well keep it like that.
And when are you going to end this video?
When we get at the end.
Oh.
When we see the end, I'll end it.
You'll end it?
Yep.
Now,
We went through this video without no pauses.
And then what you gonna
And
do
it's
is
still
you're gonna
30 minutes.
You're going to upload it to your laptop.
It depends on how much storage it takes up.
Oh.
If it takes up more
Bob,
than a
you
gigabyte
ever,
would.
Bob, you ever into handball?
No.
Neither.
Thing is,
Yeah,
Dad,
but I would have probably known.
if it takes up more than a gigabyte, if it takes up less than a gigabyte, I'm keeping it on my phone.
Oh.
Okay.
We're at the end.
But truthfully, if you want to upload it to YouTube, then do it on your laptop.
I know. Yeah, we can end it here.